Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change or set the default web browser on your Android phone or Android device. And this is relatively easy to do. So I'm just on the home screen of my phone. I'm going to swipe down from the top and then go to settings right here and select this little icon. Now, under settings, let's scroll on down until we get to applications. So let's find apps under this list. So it's right here, default apps, permission manager. Let's select this. Now under apps, let's go to the three little dots in the upper right side of the screen and select this. Then go to default apps. Now under here, we want to choose the default app for our web browser. So it says browser app, the second one down. And currently I have the Brave web browser. So let's select this. And then any web browser you have on your phone should display under here. So I have the Samsung Internet Browser, Google Chrome, and then the Brave web browser. And I would recommend getting the Brave web browser because it has built-in ad blockers. So if you're on a website and you get those annoying pop-up ads and you're trying to scroll through the screen, well, those will be completely disabled on Brave. So just select your default web browser, and then you should be good to go. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixTech.